Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to invest in the S&P 500 using SoFi Invest? The easiest way is to buy an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 such as SPY, VOO or IVV or SoFi's own SPY ETF. Since the S&P 500 is an index, it cannot be purchased directly. Okay, so first thing, open SoFi Invest. Like, open the SoFi app, sign into your SoFi account, make sure your account is approved and funded. SoFi supports stock and ETF investing with low minimums. Okay, so then fund your account. Okay, so as you can see here, you have to fund your account. Okay, add money or transfer funds, transfer money, as you can see here in this or in these pictures. Okay, linked bank account, wait until buying power appears in your account. So you need available cash before placing an ETF order. Okay, search for an S&P 500 ETF. Okay, so tap this search icon, search for one of the following, like SPY, VOO, IVV, SFY. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so easy thing. Okay, then open the ETF page, like tap the ETF you want to buy, like review price, performance, holdings, fund details. Most investors choose VOO, IVV or SPY or SPF. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so tap the trade and then buy. So press buy and SoFi stocks purchase flow allows you to choose order type and investment amount. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.